Good day, viewers. This is the Daily Brief. The federal government to deploy 80% of 7,000 new telecommunication towers in northern Nigeria to bridge connectivity gap. Suicide bomber killed in failed attempt to infiltrate Abuja Army Barracks, says the National Emergency Management Agency. The Nigerian Meteorological Agency forecasts 3 days of heavy rainfall across 14 states in the country. Lagos State launches ambitious plan to phase out slums with urban regeneration projects. From Lara to Motion Speaks, Samuel Odeloye leverages 8 years of transit data to revolutionize Nigeria's last-mile delivery. And that's all on Daily Brief for today. Many thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow us for more daily news updates.